Welcome to this guided meditation for chakra healing. Before we begin, let's explore the significance of the chakras. These energy centers govern physical, emotional, and spiritual health. The 7 main chakras are located along the spine, starting from the base and rising to the crown of your head. Each chakra influences different aspects of your life, from your sense of security to your connection with higher consciousness. According to Dr. Dispenza, meditation helps balance and heal the body by aligning these energy centers. Meditation can change brainwave patterns and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps your body return to a state of rest and healing. His research shows that focused meditation can improve cellular health, boost the immune system, and promote neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reorganize and heal. As you embark on this journey, make sure you are sitting in a comfortable, upright position. Keep your spine straight and let your body relax into stillness. It's best to meditate on an empty stomach so your body can focus entirely on healing. Now close your eyes, breathe deeply, and we'll begin the meditation. Guided meditation begins. Let's begin by focusing on the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. This energy center represents your foundation, your sense of safety, stability, and connection to the earth. When the root chakra is balanced, you feel grounded and secure in the world. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body sinking into the earth. Visualize a rich red light glowing at the base of your spine. This light represents the strength and stability of the earth, grounding you. Imagine this red light growing brighter with each inhale, filling your entire lower body with a warm, protective energy. In your mind, repeat the affirmation, I am grounded, I am safe, I am secure. As you continue breathing, visualize roots extending from the base of your spine deep into the earth, anchoring you. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the ground beneath you. With each exhale, release any tension, worry, or fear you may be holding on to. Feel the red light expanding, creating a solid foundation of stability. Know that you are supported, and the earth is holding you steady. Continue to breathe deeply as you allow this grounding energy to flow through you, filling you with a deep sense of safety and belonging. Now, bring your attention to the sacral chakra, located just below your navel. This chakra is the center of creativity, pleasure, and emotional expression. When balanced, it allows you to experience joy, emotional fluidity, and healthy relationships. Visualize a bright orange light glowing in your lower abdomen. As you breathe in, imagine this orange light expanding and filling your entire pelvic area. It radiates warmth, creativity, and passion. Feel the gentle flow of this energy, like water, moving through your body, washing away any emotional blockages or tension. Affirm to yourself, I embrace my creativity. I welcome joy and passion. Feel the energy of this orange light fueling your imagination, opening your heart to new possibilities and experiences. As you exhale, release any emotions that no longer serve you, whether it's guilt, shame, or fear of self-expression. Let the orange light wash over you, cleansing these emotions and filling you with renewed creative energy. Take a moment to connect with the pleasure and joy this chakra brings into your life. Picture yourself engaging in a creative activity that brings you happiness. As the orange light continues to flow, feel your emotions balancing, allowing you to experience life's pleasures with openness and authenticity. Next, shift your focus to the solar plexus chakra, located in the upper abdomen. This energy center is the seat of personal power, confidence, and self-worth. When the solar plexus is balanced, you feel empowered, confident, and capable of achieving your goals. Visualize a glowing yellow light in your upper abdomen, like the radiant warmth of the sun. With each inhale, imagine this yellow light growing stronger, filling your entire torso with warmth and power. Feel its energizing heat building within you, filling you with confidence and motivation. As you breathe deeply, affirm, "I am powerful, I am confident, I am worthy." Let this yellow light ignite your inner fire, fueling your ability to take action and manifest your desires. As you exhale, release any self-doubt, insecurity, or feelings of powerlessness. Allow the yellow light to cleanse these negative energies, leaving you with a renewed sense of strength and purpose. Visualize yourself standing tall, radiating confidence and inner power. Feel the strength of your personal will, knowing that you have the ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Embrace the vibrant energy of the solar plexus and let it empower you in all areas of your life. Heart chakra, anahata. Now, bring your attention to the heart chakra located at the center of your chest. This chakra is the center of love, compassion, and forgiveness. When the heart chakra is balanced, you are open to giving and receiving love and are filled with compassion for yourself and others. Visualize a soft, glowing green light in the center of your chest. With each inhale, imagine this green light expanding, filling your chest with warmth, love, and healing energy. This light represents the unconditional love that exists within you and around you. As you breathe, silently affirm, "I am love, I am compassion. I forgive myself and others." Feel this green light radiating outward, not only filling your heart but also extending beyond your body, enveloping you in a cocoon of love and healing. Allow this light to soften any hardness you may be holding in your heart, releasing old wounds, grudges, or emotional pain. Picture yourself extending this loving energy to those around you, your loved ones, friends, and even people you've had difficulties with. Feel the heart chakra open, allowing the free flow of love, forgiveness, and compassion. As you continue to breathe, know that love is your true essence, and you are deeply connected to the hearts of others. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. Now bring your attention to the throat chakra, located at the base of your throat. This chakra is the center of communication, self-expression, and truth. When the throat chakra is balanced, you can speak your truth with clarity and confidence. Visualize a bright blue light glowing in your throat. As you inhale, imagine this blue light expanding, filling your entire throat and neck with clarity and expression. This light represents your ability to communicate clearly and authentically. Affirm to yourself, "I speak my truth with confidence. I express myself clearly." As you exhale, release any fear or hesitation you may have about expressing yourself. Let go of any blockages that prevent you from speaking your truth, whether it's the fear of judgment, rejection, or misunderstanding. Allow the blue light to clear and open your throat, making space for authentic communication. Visualize yourself speaking with ease and clarity, expressing your thoughts and feelings confidently. Know that your voice is powerful, and your truth deserves to be heard. As the blue light continues to expand, feel your communication becoming more effortless and aligned with your true self. Third eye chakra, Ajna. Next, bring your attention to the third eye chakra, located in the center of your forehead. This chakra is the center of intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. When balanced, the third eye chakra allows you to see beyond the physical world and tap into your higher consciousness. Visualize a deep indigo light glowing between your eyebrows. As you breathe in, imagine this indigo light expanding, filling your mind with clarity and insight. This light represents your ability to see beyond the surface and access your intuitive wisdom. Silently affirm, "I trust my intuition, I see clearly." As you exhale, release any confusion, doubt, or mental clutter that may cloud your vision. Allow the indigo light to clear your mind, bringing you a sense of mental clarity and deeper understanding. Visualize yourself receiving intuitive insights and guidance. Picture your mind opening to the infinite possibilities of the universe, connecting you to higher wisdom. As you continue breathing, trust that your intuition will guide you on your path, providing you with the clarity and direction you need. Crown Chakra, Sahasrara. Finally, bring your focus to the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. This chakra is your connection to the divine, your higher self, and universal consciousness. When balanced, the crown chakra allows you to experience oneness and spiritual connection. Visualize a bright violet or white light at the top of your head. With each inhale, imagine this light expanding, connecting you to the infinite universe. This light represents your connection to the divine source of all creation. Affirm to yourself, "I am connected to the divine. I am at peace." As you exhale, release any feelings of separation or disconnection. Allow the violet or white light to expand beyond your body, connecting you to the vast universe and the infinite wisdom that resides within it. Feel yourself becoming one with the universe, fully aligned with your higher self.